Hello, my friend. Packs of aggressive crocodiles roaming through residential areas, spreading terror among residents, are no longer uncommon in some parts of the United States. So what are farmers doing to prevent them? Let's explore right now. Miami, Florida, is shaken by a series of crocodile attacks, with over 100 people harmed in just 1 week. This alarming situation rings the alarm bell about how farmers and the American community will face the explosion in the crocodile population and the potential dangers following the crocodile crisis. The issue poses many risks, including threats to personal safety, property damage, and particularly severe consequences for children and pets. It causes anxiety and stress within the community, negatively impacts agricultural and tourism activities, and presents challenges in wildlife management. Therefore, discussing and implementing safe and sustainable solutions is crucial to ensure the safety and stability of the community. Building fences to block crocodiles may not be a perfect solution. Instead of only focusing on their ability to break through barriers, we need to better understand crocodile attack behavior to devise more effective defensive measures. Crocodiles can easily and quickly overcome fences using their strength and muscles. They can climb, dig, and even bend common fencing materials. Instead of using dense vegetation as a mere physical barrier, the city has turned it into a robust biological fortress against crocodile intrusions. This green system not only enhances the urban landscape, but also creates a strong defensive layer, protecting residents from potential threats. The harmonious combination of tall trees, grass, and native plants has created a harsh habitat for crocodiles. The dense vegetation hinders their movement, while also limiting their food sources and shelters. As a result, the city has gained an additional effective natural layer of protection. Over centuries, crocodile hunting has evolved into a unique cultural practice deeply rooted in the lives of indigenous people. They use primitive tools like baited hooks to tame these formidable reptiles. taking place both along the coast and from boats. Traditional crocodile hunting is not only of material value, but also a significant part of the cultural heritage and customs of the people. To ensure the sustainable development of the crocodile population and safety for hunters and guides, specific regulations have been established. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, and if you didn't, feel free to hit the like button. The crocodile hunting licensing program plays a crucial role in ensuring that only individuals who undergo thorough training and possess deep understanding are allowed to participate in hunting activities. This strict control helps minimize the risk of overexploitation and protects the crocodile population during their breeding seasons. With specific regulations on the timing and location of hunts, potential conflicts between humans and crocodiles are significantly reduced. As a result, the crocodile population is shielded from negative impacts, maintaining ecological balance in the region. In Florida, home to over 1.3 million crocodiles, effective management measures are critically necessary. Responsible hunting plays a pivotal role in controlling this enormous crocodile population. Each year, approximately 2,000 crocodiles are legally hunted, contributing to efforts in population control. This number underscores the importance of crocodile hunting, ensuring not only human safety, but also maintaining ecological balance in their shared habitat. As an essential part of the Florida ecosystem, crocodiles also pose risks to humans and other animals. Controlled hunting plays a crucial role in maintaining a delicate balance between humans and crocodiles, contributing to the conservation of these valuable reptiles and ensuring the sustainable development of their shared habitat in the natural world. The increasing frequency of crocodile attacks is a warning bell about growing challenges due to environmental changes, including the impacts of climate change and ecosystem alterations. It is urgent for communities to adapt and find innovative solutions to cope with this pressing issue. The crocodile issue is not just a warning for a specific community, but a call for all cities in the United States to come together and prepare for unforeseen challenges in the context of global change. Never go alone in areas with a high risk of encountering crocodiles. This rule is essential for the safety of both humans and crocodiles in affected areas. When encountering a crocodile, maintain a safe distance and immediately report it to local authorities. Timely reporting helps authorities react quickly and effectively to potential threats. This serves as a reminder of the importance of adapting to changing habitats and seeking innovative solutions to protect the community through preventive measures. American farmers have successfully pushed back crocodile encroachment, safeguarding their communities through an effective hunting strategy. What sets their approach apart is their blend of traditional methods with deep knowledge of crocodile behavior and biology. This success not only brings safety and peace to the community, but also marks a significant step in addressing climate change and habitat changes. It showcases the strength of the United States, not just in protecting communities, but also in proposing innovative solutions to safeguard habitats for everyone. Drop a comment with a 1 if you support this approach. Effectively managing crocodile attacks in residential areas is a top priority to protect lives and property within the community. This ensures safety for residents while safeguarding assets such as crops, livestock, and homes from the negative impacts caused by crocodiles. Furthermore, efficient crocodile management contributes to maintaining ecological balance and enhancing community awareness of risks and safety measures. As a result, it not only reduces the risk of accidents, but also creates conditions for the sustainable development of tourism and the local economy. In addition to the crocodile issue, the invasion of wild boars is also a challenge that needs attention. Originating mainly from Asia and Europe, these animals have been introduced to various regions worldwide such as North America, Africa, Australia, and Canada. In Canada, wild boars are often found in provinces like Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, posing a new threat to native ecosystems. During the 1990s and subsequent decades, wild boars steadily expanded across grassland areas. However, since 2010, their population growth rate has exponentially skyrocketed in this habitat. This invasive species has caused significant damage to crops, is omnivorous, and can potentially transmit diseases such as swine fever to both wildlife and humans. To address the threat from wild boars, the Canadian government has collaborated with licensed professional hunters to control their population. However, it is crucial for individuals not to engage in independent hunting of wild boars, as it is dangerous and illegal. Using properly trained hunting dogs to track and pursue wild boars in hard-to-reach areas is also an effective method to minimize risks for participants. Do you support this approach? Certainly, the issue of wild boar invasion in Canada can stem from various reasons, with the search for food playing a significant role. Wild boars are omnivorous animals with high adaptability and can forage from diverse sources. They often scavenge household garbage, leftover food from restaurants, and even vegetation in public areas. Even more dangerously, wild boars have been known to boldly attack residential homes even during the daytime. In addition to living in forests and urban areas, wild boars are also adept swimmers. They often inhabit environments close to water sources and utilize their excellent swimming abilities for defense when pursued by humans or other predators. Aggressive herds of wild boars invade beach areas, attacking people who are enjoying their leisure time. Many people have attempted to use spears to catch wild boars. However, this method is ineffective due to their superior strength. With a particular fondness for corn, wild boars frequently encroach onto fields to forage. The aftermath of yesterday's wild boar attack is still evident through what remains. Though seemingly straightforward, the damages caused by wild boars amount to tens of millions of USD annually, a significant figure. To decisively address the wild boar issue, Canadian farmers have employed a bold approach, using specialized aircraft to cull and control wild boar herds. The use of aircraft provides significant advantages, expanding the hunter's field of view and increasing accuracy in targeting wild boars. Thanks to the effectiveness of this method, the number of wild boars eliminated has increased significantly, including large herds of dozens of boars. While the hunting campaign has significantly reduced the wild boar population, the numbers still remain alarmingly high, reaching hundreds of thousands. To address the issue comprehensively, Canadian residents have proposed a bold solution, utilizing wild boar carcasses as organic fertilizer for the next growing season. With this unique approach, instead of being wasted, wild boar carcasses are recycled into nutrients for crops, contributing to environmental protection and promoting agricultural development. Do you think this is an optimal solution for the wild boar problem? Let me know your thoughts. So what will happen to the wild boar carcasses in the United States? For some, wild boars post-hunting become a valuable food source, providing protein, fat, and even pollution-fighting compounds. They process wild boar into enticing and nutritious meals. However, it's important to note that consuming wild boar meat is only popular with a small portion of Americans. Most people do not adopt this approach. After the hunting campaign, many residents choose to leave the wild boar carcasses in the fields, turning them into valuable food sources for wildlife. This action not only helps clean up the environment, but also contributes to maintaining ecological balance in the area. What mistake has led wild boars to face such severe punishment? Wild boars, also known as feral pigs, are widely distributed globally, especially in North America. Their high adaptability to various environmental conditions has made them strong invasive species, causing significant damage to agriculture. Surely you're wondering why wild boars have become the #1 enemy of agriculture? The answer lies in the stains they leave on fruitful fields. Wild boars frequently appear, brazenly attacking and plundering crops, especially corn and sugarcane, causing serious damage to farmers. The most severe consequences are seen in Texas, where the damage caused by wild boars reaches a staggering $2.5 billion annually. To tackle the rapid increase of wild boars, the U.S. government has implemented a unique measure, allowing citizens to participate in hunting them and even rewarding those who succeed. However, to join this campaign, individuals must possess a valid hunting license. Licensing is closely regulated by each state, depending on the type of hunting, the targeted species, and specific regulations. Have you ever wondered about the reasons behind the aggressive invasion of human habitats by wild boars? Let's explore. Wild boars are known for their extraordinary reproductive capabilities, with each litter ranging from 10 to 20 piglets. With each breeding cycle, a new cycle begins, driving a rapid increase in their population. However, rapid population growth is just one factor contributing to the invasive behavior of wild boars. The shadow of wild boars is looming over the city. Images of aggressive wild boars roaming through parks and rooting through trash bins for food are becoming familiar, causing anxiety among residents. This situation not only disrupts the urban aesthetic, but also poses serious risks. To reduce the number of wild boars, some residents have employed a trapping method, albeit with an effectiveness ranging from 2% to 5% of the total boar population. Here's how it works. Residents prepare a large and sturdy iron cage, then scatter dried corn inside as bait to lure the wild boars. When the boars rush in to feed, the trap is triggered and collapses, capturing the entire herd at once. This method provides high efficiency and plays a crucial role in efforts to control the wild boar population and protect the environment.